I'm going to show you exactly how to add realistic shadows in Canva using the proper method. This helps your designs look more professional, polished, and visually grounded, even if you are new to Canva. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account. On the left-hand panel, click Create and choose any canvas size that matches your project. Once your blank canvas opens, go to Uploads on the left panel and upload the photo you want to add a shadow to. Click on the image and it will instantly appear on your canvas. Next, select the image and hover your cursor over the floating toolbar, then click Edit. This will open a panel on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you see the Effects section, then click Shadow to view all available shadow options. From the shadow options, select Backdrop. This effect copies the full outline of your image and uses it to create a realistic shadow that matches the shape of your subject. Scroll down to adjust the shadow settings. You will see sliders for blur, direction, intensity, and color. A simple tip is to adjust the direction and leave the other settings as they are to keep the shadow looking natural and realistic. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now know the right way to add shadows in Canva for clean and professional designs. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and easy tutorials like this, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.